Welcome, this is Best Buy. Today I'll be telling you about 5 cars you should avoid buying in Nigeria. Before I start, to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below the video or click the tiny red button on the screen and click subscribe. The first car is Volvo S80 from the models 1998 to 2006. This is the first generation of the car. The major reason why people want to buy this car is that they are cheap, very stylish and rare, but this car has the following problem. Its electronic and electrical systems fail easily, and these systems are sophisticated, making it difficult for the ordinary roadside mechanic to fix. Also, its engines can generate a lot of faults and sometimes lead to a blown gasket, especially in the turbo versions. Because of the temperature of the engines, which can also lead to busting of pipes in the engine. Lastly, this car develops transmission problems, which can cause your car not to change gears. But with all these problems and you still wish to buy this car, please always avoid 5-cylinder engines and the turbo boosted engines. The second car is the Land Rover Discovery 2. This is a car, once you see, you assume it's tough and unbreakable because of the way it looks, but this car requires a lot of maintenance to keep it running, and this maintenance costs a lot of money because of expensive parts. This car also has a lot of electrical issues with transmission issues. This car also uses air cooling to cool its engine, and we know generally Nigeria is quite hot, and sometimes this can lead to a blown head gasket. This is also known to have a fuel pump that fails easily and costs a lot of money to replace. Generally, this is a cheap car to buy, but with time, you would spend a lot of money on it. Third car is the BMW X5 2003 to 2011 models. These cars have been known to stall while driving or totally turn off while driving. This is not safe because you might be driving on the highway, and when this happens, anything can happen. Also, its engine tends to overheat because its cooling systems easily develop faults. This car also has a fuel pump that can easily fail, but the good thing is that it is quite cheap, but can cost you a lot more through maintenance and expensive parts. The fourth car is the Volkswagen Passat 2002 to 2003. This is another cheap car, but this car generally has a lot of electrical issues, especially with the ignition, which means it might just decide to not turn on at any time. This car also has a lot of sensors that are unreliable and can fail anytime, including the thermostat. This can really spoil things if overheating occurs without you knowing. This car generally has a lot of engine issues. The last car is the Porsche Cayenne, especially the 2004 version. Porsche makes good cars, but the problem is usually the cost of maintenance. But it still has faults, which include the cooling system and drivetrain problems, where its automatic transmission can sometimes fail totally. Also, as a luxury car, it comes with air suspensions, which fail and cost a lot of money to replace. Lastly, it can develop a lot of electrical problems and sometimes won't start. Thanks. Please like this video and subscribe.